Hello guys and welcome to EHM channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make your very first PHP program. Before that, obviously you need to install PHP on your system. It's a bit tricky process. You need to install Apache, you need to install XAMPP server, but you don't need to worry about all of that. You just need to follow this tutorial and need to see how I proceed step by step. Okay. So in order to start, you first need to go and install your XAMPP server. So in order to do that, you write on the Google, enter the query XAMPP server download. Alright, okay, so here is the link, download XAMPP. Open it and just wait for it to open. Alright, so here it is. Now you go down a bit, scroll down a bit, and here it will show you the latest version that has been released up till now. So at the bottom of the list you can see here the PHP version 7.1.4. It is the latest version, and you could download it from here. Alright, just make sure, okay, before downloading it, just make sure which system you are running. If you are running 32-bit or 86 processor, then you can download this 32-bit version, or else you could download 64-bit version. Okay, so you need to download this because I'm using 32-bit. Okay, I'm not downloading it because I have already downloaded it, so you can, I'm just showing you how you could download it. Okay, so from here you could download XAMPP. I will come back to it later, but before that I need to go and download another thing, which is Apache. You need Apache. Okay, I'm using a site here that is Apache Launch. You could enter the query and it will appear in the list. You could open it as Apache Launch. Here you could literally go, or instead of going there, I'd recommend going to the Apache Launch downloads page directly. There you could find the Apache versions. Here you can download your Apache version. If you are using Windows 64, again you have to download this, and if you are using Win 32 or 86, you could, okay, if you need to make sure which version you are running, you could go to the My Computer properties, and here you could see which system are you running. So I'm using 32-bit, that's why I'm going to download this 32-bit version. Alright, so again I'm not going to download it as I already have downloaded it. So you download it and make sure that all things are downloaded. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and see where I have downloaded my program, which is XAMPP server. So I'm going to run it. Yes, okay, it's starting now. Excuse me. Okay, so it has started. So the startup screen will look up something like this. You'd have to click next. Just check all of this, uncheck this if you want to, because it's really not necessary. Click next. Okay, leave it as it is. Next. Not empty because I have already downloaded it, so you need to keep pressing next and just install it, and it will be installed. Okay, so that's how you are going to install the XAMPP server. After that, you are going to open what you downloaded as Apache server. It will be here, so you need to extract this, like extract files, and up here in the address bar you just need to delete all of this and just need to simply extract these files into the C directory, and you need to press OK, and the files will be extracted to the C drive. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you could start the XAMPP. So you need to go to the C drive now. Here the folder is automatically created by the name XAMPP. Open it. Okay, and if you scroll down here you would see these applications, XAMPP start, XAMPP control. Okay, so I'd click on XAMPP start. Okay, so it will open up in such a screen. As you could see, we have Apache here, MySQL, FileZilla. All of these things are not necessarily required now, but we just need for Apache for the time being. After extracting those files, let me first go and show you how you could really install the Apache. Okay, we have installed this in Apache. The files will be extracted in this folder. From here you could go, and it's already extracted, so it's ready to use. Okay, so I need go back to my XAMPP control panel. Here I need to start this. The light is turned yellow, which means it's turning on, and it's green now, which means it has successfully installed. I'd to check, that's really not an option, but I'm just checking it to start my SQL. Okay, so both of the lights have turned green, which means I've successfully installed this. Okay, so let's go and check that whether or not PHP is installed on your system or not. Open your browser, a new tab, and right here local host, and press enter. If you see such a screen, then boom, PHP is installed on your computer by installing XAMPP and Apache. So you could see, if you see this page, which means yeah, you are successful. So that's how we have installed PHP on your system. Stay tuned to my tutorials, because the next video I'm going to show you how you could make your first Hello World PHP program, and after that we're going to create the pages and a lot more. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.